Namaste to everyone. Today we are going to install GeoDjango, and after that, in upcoming series, we are uh, finishing our series leaflet with connection to the Postgres SQL and getting all the information from database. So first of all, we have to create our GeoDjango install. So for that, we are going to install it. Okay, for first of all, we have to create virtual environments. I am using Anaconda. For this, you have to go to the Anaconda website and you can download the Anaconda from here. For if you are Windows, you can download Windows and graphical installer, or Mac or Linux, you can download respectively. And you have to add the path, its path to the variable system variable, so it can be accessed from anywhere. Just like if you type Python here, it can be accessed into the Python. That's the main feature that you can add. Anaconda is a path variable. But if you don't want Anaconda, here is a Python, or you can download Python from its official website and add a path to the variable. But I will recommend it to use Anaconda because it's mainly used for data science. And for another thing, you have to download is Postgres SQL, and you can also go to the Postgres website and you can go to the Postgres SQL and you can choose your operating system and can download it accordingly to your operating system. And 12 is the latest stable version, and 13 is in 13 there is no available of PostGIS extension, so you have to download Postgres SQL 12. Okay, after that, after downloading the Anaconda and Postgres SQL, you have to install GDAL. For to install GDAL, first we have to create an environment variable for that. Okay, first of all, we have to create the environment variable in Anaconda. You can use conda dash n create create conda dash n and your virtual environment name. Just I will give you the virtual environment name is GDAL final. Create is the sorry is CNDA conda CREATE. That our virtual environment is collecting and virtual environment will be created. We have to type yes, and to activate the virtual environment we have to activate final. After that, you can see two different things. Here is just C something as, and here is the GDAL final, which is defined that we are under the virtual environment. Okay, for to install GDAL, you can type search for conda install GDAL, and after that you can go to this website and you can just copy paste it. Here is the code. How can you install the conda? You can just copy it and you can just paste it here inside our virtual environment. I'm showing it because it you for the beginner it will be difficult to think all these or remember all these codes, so we can refer to the Google for that. And after that it will create our install GDAL in our virtual environment. Okay, we have to press Y here and it will take some time. I will be get in touch with you after finishing it. Okay, after installing GDAL, we have to install Django. For that, you can use conda install Django. After that, the Django will be installed in our environment variable. It's executing. Here. By default, it is downloading PySCopy 2, so we do not need to install it manually. But the dependency is also PySCopy 2 is also dependent for the GeoDjango project or for GDAL. Okay, our Django is also installed, so we'll go to our BS code and in our working folder, and we'll activate our virtual environment. Activate GDAL final. Sorry, final. We have created our full virtual environment name as GDAL final. After that, our GDAL final has been activated, and for BS code, you have to select the Python interpreter for a GDAL final. Select Python interpreter from here. Okay, after that we have make that Python interpreter the GDAL final. For to create a Django project, we have to write Django admin start project, and we have to give our project name as a leaflet map. Okay, after that one leaflet map folder has been created, and there is another leaflet map where it contains settings, URL, UC and manage.py. First of all, we have to go to the setting.py and we have to make some of the changes here. Okay, in your install apps, you have to install GDAL or GIS. For that, you have to type django.config.gis. If you don't install app, we have to go down to your database and we have to add our Postgres SQL database. For this, we have to type django.contrib.gis. We are using .gis because sorry, not dot. It's on the leaflet map, so we'll go to the leaflet map. Under that, we have to go to the dv dot backends dot PostGIS. We are creating the PostGIS extension for it, and we have to give the database name here. Give our database name. So I will open my PC admin here, and I will create my database. Okay, here I will give my database name as leaflet, not leaflet. Okay, GeoDjango. You have to give your user name for Postgres SQL, and my username is Postgres, and password. You have to type your password. Password name is Angad. Okay, I have give my password name as Angad, and you have to give the host name. Host. I am running it on localhost, so give localhost. After that, you have to give the port number. By my port number is 5432. By default, it's default port number. If you change the port number, you can give your port number accordingly. We are ready to go to here. So okay, let's run Django. Sorry, not we have to go to that leaflet cd of a little leaflet map. We are in this folder leaflet map. In the inside this folder we have manage.py, so we can just type python py run server. Okay, let's see, is there something mistake or not? Is our okay, here we have something mistake to our database name. Okay, what is the mistake? Backend we have to give it here as a GIS, not a leaflet map. Okay, GIS here. and reload it. I think it will work for now here. If not, then we will make changes accordingly. Okay, it said GeoDjango 2 database is not in our database, so we have to go to our post PG admin, and we have to create a inside the database. We have to create our new database called GeoDjango 2. GeoDjango 2, the same database with, okay, database has been formed here, GeoDjango 2. In this GeoDjango, we have to create an PostGIS extension. So we go to that extension. We are here in GeoDjango 2 and we are in the extension. Just right click here and create. You can directly search your PostGIS. It is PostGIS extension. You can directly create and save it here. Okay, after that, PostGIS extension has been installed here, and from here our GeoDjango installation I think has been completed. Okay, I will run you if that is okay. Our server is running. Yeah, we have successfully installed our GeoDjango project. Okay, I will in the next video I will create a leaflet map on GeoDjango on this, and we'll get our data from database. Okay, thank you for watching. Keep loving. Thank you. Bye.